Give it up for my homeboy.
Tell us, man.
Apple motherfucking Harley.
Let me ask y'all a question real quick. We about to get warmed up in here. I gotta teach y'all niggas how to party again, man. Hey, look who you got up here. You got first and foremost, the Premier District, Cam, and Tash in Arizona. So, we got content in the house. I'm gonna teach y'all niggas how to party, man. Shout out to Jim Star and everybody. Before I say, Big Jack, love you. That's y'all sick. That's legend.
Party. What up? The West Coast is the building. Where's they roll out? If you like that West Coast music, make some motherfucking noise out here. You know, Cam is my people.
What up, Jill?
Oh, shit, it's party time now.
Alright, cut all the motherfucking cell phone cameras off right now. Cut all the cell phone cameras off right now. Shout out to Rampage, a lot of pressure. That's my brother right there, baby. Now we gonna teach y'all to party, motherfucker. We got Jay over here.
Hey, yo, check this out, man. This is the 818 Antics in the house. I want to thank everybody for coming. My name is J. Rowe from the Alcoholics.
I'm gonna teach you how to party.
How many alcoholics we got in the house?
Oh, a bunch of them. I see y'all on the board.
Hey, we're running out of time, so I'm going to introduce my man, David Faustino, a.k.a. Bud Bundy.
My man.
Where you at, Dave? Where you at, Dave? We gonna,
Married with children. Get busy, my boy. Yeah.
What up?
He's gonna take over from here, and we're gonna have some fun, y'all.
Thank you, J. Rowe. Hey, how y'all feeling tonight? Yeah. Who's drunk up in this motherfucker?
Oh.
It's late, huh? I know y'all are drunk. Alright, so hey, I'm the host for the most tonight. You know me as, Bud Bundy, a.k.a. Grandmaster B. Grandmaster B! But right now I'm gonna host this shit. We got an MC coming up to the stage, 818 Antics. Make some noise for 818 Antics. We got my boy Owen, who's up in the, is he ready to rock this bitch? Here we go.
Yes, sir.
And make some noise for Owen, 818 Antics. Let's go, rock it.
And party, man, turn the goddamn cameras off, man. When I say him, y'all say how. Him. When I say him, y'all say how. Him. Who wants some free shit? Make some noise. Alright, we got some blood rats, so yeah. Pass them out. Be on the street. Yo, I got a quick acapella, and then I'm out your business. So it goes like this. The glass is half full of the game of law and order. Most opposite side of the fence when it came down to supporters. Seekers approach a rhyme order. Spinning like a camel with a compulsive disorder. Reporter of all disorder. Slaughtered by king's order. In order for there to be order, you must point out the disorder. When men and men are on a border, IRS will take your last quarter just for thinking you about to be big like borders. In this world, there ain't no fantasy, no misuse, ain't even granted amnesty. We've been abused by your kings and your majesty. We need to awaken, because this is modern day slavery. Make some noise! How we supposed to live so peacefully when people around me going down so easily? Afraid to commit a crime, we're already here illegally. Let's not talk about business they do secretly. Indigenous versus privilege, blue collar criminals don't want us to exist. Revolution, blow my fist every day. Hip hop with a twist. As an activist, optimist, human extremist. Make some noise. Yes, me. So when I say him, y'all say how. Him. When I say him, y'all say how. Him. I am Owen. Hit me up, I got some merch. Make some noise. David.
Give it up for my man Owen. That shit was hot. Yeah. Make some noise. 818 Antics. Alright, we got another MC coming up. He's gonna come rock some shit real quick. I just met this kid, but I hear he's mad talented, so give a warm welcome, a warm AZ welcome to my man Sonny Rose. Yeah.
AZ, what the fuck is up? AZ, what the fuck is up? Yo, I'm gonna take y'all back to 1994. West Coast hip hop. Shout out to the Liquid Crow. Shout out to KT. Turn my shit up. California, here we come, baby. Oh, get your motherfucking hands in the sky. Yeah, come on. Look. Suicide is a suicide. Suicide is a suicide. Suicide is a suicide. Time to show these motherfuckers on the West Coast ride. Voice at the brother, speak from my heart, cold wild motherfuckers. That's what take me out there, probably by the 80s. Bringing out these race beats, love my shit crazy. There's no electro, spare me all the sucker shit. Haters hanging on me, they're promoting and I'm loving it. Boogie boogie down Bronx, down to Miami. No matter where I go, there's no represent Cali. Back it up, we're killing it. Represent my culture. Rock a road, we just represent me for the culture. Raised off the Scarface, over 3,000. Now I'm doing shows, keep that crowd bouncing. Johnny Becky, yeah.